speak English, drive German, drink Russian, wear Italian, and kiss French. So in today's video, we're going to be doing French tradition of kiss. Wow, I'm excited. Let's talk about the French kiss. So basically, if today is the first time you're seeing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and also follow up on our last video so you understand the other French traditions that look weird to the world, but I know, you know what I mean. So I know you might be wondering, what was that first thing I said in the beginning? Well, I believe every country has its own peculiarities and what they are known for, and for the French is also attributed to their kiss. Like when someone says, can you French kiss? Like we all do that here in Nigeria. What exactly you're talking about, you know? Like we're able to like relate. So I'm not here to teach about French kiss. I'm here to tell you about what French kiss means. You know, like I feel like this topic is a bit like spontaneous and interesting. So let's dive in to the most important thing of today. So I named this video the French tradition of kiss, la bise, but actually we're going to be learning the difference between la bise, I'm French, une bise, and bisou, and bise. So that's the 5 most important things we're here to learn today. So I know you're like, what's the difference? La bise is kiss. All these things you mentioned like kiss. Okay, yes, you're right. They are kiss. When you do a literal translation of it, they mean kiss. That's why when you learn a language, you learn its culture and how it's being used. So basically, they all mean kiss, but they are all used in different categories. So I'm going to start with the la bise. This one is usually the one they do vis-a-vis, like is usually used for greeting a friend, a colleague, a family member. You know, the one you peck people on the two cheeks, something like that. Like that's how la bise is usually very, very not sexual. You know, like it doesn't have anything to do with any sexual relations. But you might be shocked though, guys don't really agree giving it to their fellow guys, but they feel natural giving it to girls because normally girls are feminine and blah blah blah. So it's usually weird when you give it to a guy, but you can when the guy is a really close relative. But it's usually easier with girls, and then it doesn't mean anything, it just means casual and a normal greeting. Like la bise means it's an exchange of kisses on the cheek. Is mostly what French people do like twice in a day with their family members, their friends, and their colleagues. Like is super natural, and then it doesn't have anything to do with, you know, what. While une bise and la bise means the same thing, une bise is usually more of a quick kiss on the cheek. Like you don't really waste time. Like la bise you can do it multiple times. Like une bise is usually like once. Like okay, that's just the difference between the two. There's so much difference. And then like I said on the latter, so I'm sure it's just that this one is a quicker one and this one is a multiple one. So and then I'm bisou is seen from a child's perspective. Like if you want to like do a translation in it, you can say cute little kisses. It's those like kids that like doesn't mean anything. It's more like a natural kiss when he's a child, and you know that there's nothing more than just like a little tiny kiss, and then it's just normal. And then you deal with your children like, give me back before you go to school, kiss mommy, something like that. So un bise is the French kiss that is between adults, mostly between adults, because it has to do with someone you like or find sexually attracted to, and then so much excitement and all, and then you guys decide to kiss, like, you know, the one we see in others movies, and just it's normal, like it's normal kind of excitement kind of kiss. And then we now go to the oga bata bata of them all. So like I said, the oga bata bata of them all. The I'm French, which is called the French keys. The one that I've kept you waiting to the end of this video. Well, I'm also excited to talk about it. So I'm French is the keys that we all refer to French keys that have been borrowed by different languages. Like, you know what I mean when somebody says, can you French keys? Can you give him French keys? Like, you know when you play judo there, I'm whispering so nobody has to hear me. Yeah, that's what a French kiss means. It's more sexual. Just like bise, French kiss is also sexual because it has to do with hormones, someone you're sexually attracted to. But French is more aggressive. That's a French kiss is more aggressive. It has to do with a lot of tongues and all. Why bise just has to do with lips. So just like the previous ones I talked about, that's la bise, une bise, and bisou. Those ones are more friendly and then they don't have any sexual thing related to them. But I'm bise and I'm French, I'm more sexual. And then I hope I've been able to like clarify to you the difference between all this, the difference between these kisses that I've mentioned. So I hope I've been able to explain to you. So the next time you want to talk about a French kiss, just now have to know the particular one you're talking about. And for also students that are studying French, you make these mistakes a lot in the beginning. I did. So I think with time, just get over it and get used to it. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and please invite your friends to invite their friends, because I know I enjoyed this video and I know you enjoyed it. So thank you. Bye.